FogX EcoFlush Molasses is a 100% natural, eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaning product that can be used anywhere in your store as a hygiene and cleaning solution, targeting fats, oils, grease and bad odors. It is safe for use in food processing areas. FogX contains natural bacteria that break down fats, oils and grease waste and odors on floors, sinks, work areas, drains and fat traps across your entire store, starting where the trucks arrive at goods receiving, right through to the tills. Simply mix with water, apply to the floors and spread with a broom. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes or longer if you can, and then flush with fresh water, squeegeeing the waste into the drains. For the best results, flush with water again. This will remove all the fats, oils, grease and bad odors from your floors and drains. Mix. The first application is a deep clean using a ratio of 2% or 200 milliliters product mixed well in a 10-liter bucket of water. Cold or warm water, but not boiling. For ongoing daily cleaning, mix 100 milliliters of FogX in a 10-liter bucket of water, in other words a 1% dilution ratio. For badly blocked drains or fat traps, we suggest an initial shock treatment of 500 milliliters in a 10-liter bucket of water, or pour the product directly into the fat trap. This is for a once-off treatment only. For ongoing trap maintenance, when you're finished washing in the grease sink at night, run 2 liters of water in the sink and add 3 caps of FogX. Pull the plug out so that the product can run into the fat trap. The bacteria will work overnight in the fat trap to break up the fats and grease and prevent bad odors. Apply. Pour the bucket of product mixed with water onto the floor and spread evenly using a broom. No hard scrubbing is required. Simply spread the liquid into all the corners and watch the bubbles form as the bacteria breaks down the fats, oils and grease. Leave for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or longer if possible, for dirty floors. For the best results, apply using a spray gun or a backpack sprayer. It can be used anywhere, from goods receiving through to the bakery, butchery, deli, kitchens and cold rooms, and on the shop floor. Do not use chemical cleaning products after applying FogX. This will kill the friendly bacteria and affect the performance of the product. Flush. After 10 to 15 minutes, flush the area with fresh water and use a squeegee to work the product into the drains. FogX then enters the drainage system where it continues to work, preventing blockages and bad odors by breaking down any fats, oils and grease in the drains. Repeat. Use the product once per day and then flush with water during the day to ensure the floors stay clean. The bacteria need water to perform. The more water, the better. Thank you for watching. Please see our website at www.fogx.co.za for more information.